Grand rising, my wonderful people. I salute you. Hope I know they see my down. I welcome all of you. I greet you all. Welcome. Like and share the video. Oh, I'm on the king of the game. I should have used the Jelly Speaks remix. How do we do this now? Let's just go like that. Welcome, my people. Welcome. I salute all of you. I greet you all. Thanks for joining us. How is the weather over wherever you are? Man, for here for Abuja, na rain will wake us up. Na rain will take start this morning. The lazy bones in town will use it as excuse now not to go to anywhere. Of course, Saturday is not a working day in Abuja. In case you don't know. Most offices, they got them no day, they don't travel, maybe they don't go their village. If you enter central business districts tomorrow now, everywhere will just be like where they run. I say what they happen. Welcome, my people. I greet you. Please hit the like button and share the video as joining. Like and share the video. I be make we go TikTok. This their Facebook, like it's boring, not interactive. This is TikTok. I go to collect my gift. I go to collect my gift for TikTok. This one boring. They no go share video. They no go like. They no go do anything. But make we just enter TikTok, John. This is 8:34. We just enter. I don't just like this Facebook vibe anymore. Just that there are some of the older people who don't like TikTok, and this place is more informative as far as they are concerned. And there you can actually see the video you posted. Unlike on Facebook, unlike on TikTok, where the video disappears just immediately you finish it. So that's just the problem with them. I don't just understand why they can't change some of their policies. You can be my people go. Okay, make I just leave this small one now. Then we'll go to TikTok. My TikTok name, just type Jelly Speaks Remix. Jelly Speaks Remix, you will see me there. So, my people, we want to discuss this Atiku issue. And I want you people to know that the connection between Dr. Chiko Mile. Well done. The connection between Atiku Abubakar and Nnamdi Kanu did not start today. Okay? The connection, in fact, it is because of Nnamdi Kanu and Atiku Abubakar that the original people that started IPOB on the ground in the southeast scattered. It's because of Atiku Abubakar that Nnamdi Kanu stopped insulting Peter Obi. Remember, Nnamdi Kanu's father was a PDP man, in and out, through and through. Are you understanding me? And by that time, Nnamdi Kanu was insulting Peter Obi, calling him all sorts of names, saying that Hausa men are sleeping with Peter Obi, that he was going to bring the video and the evidence of where they are sleeping with him in a hotel. Didn't you people hear it? Please, Odogwata, help me send Odogwata, are you there? Odogwata, you know you are my wingman now. Help me comment there. If you somebody please tag Odogwata. He's the one that has all these things. Prior to that time, Nnamdi Kanu was insulting Peter Obi, saying all manner of things. But the time the money from the Atiku campaign 2019, if you remember, I didn't say Atiku Abubakar, I said Atiku campaign in 2019. Remember, signed, sealed, and delivered. Odogwuata, please, are you there? Is Odogwuata there? Please, guys, contact him. Ifeanyi Mezi, are you there? Igbo Abuchidan. Ifeanyi Mezi, thank you, Stephen, for tagging Odogwuata. People should please call Odogwuata for me. Okay? Now, after they collected the money, they tried to force their own people, supporters on the ground, to be working with the politicians. That was where Madam Social said no. Some of the people with Madam Social, Cosmos George, them, all of these people said no, they're not going to work with any politician. In fact, I believe it was when it dawned on people like George Onibe. It was then it dawned on people like him that this is just a political business they are running. Okay? It dawned on people, oh, you are there with him, please. Call him on the phone. Call Odogwuata on the phone. Tell him to send me that broadcast. The one Peter Obi was being insulted by Nnamdi Kanu. And signed, sealed, and delivered. And remember, he told them that anybody that votes for the APC is this, is that, nye, 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 nye. Are you understanding? This one say you go come out that day. No, you self make sure say you dey front. This say now this one is what they do. You where they type rubbish. Make sure say you dey front. So my people, this nonsense you are seeing, Atiku did not start palling with these people today. Remember, it was the money they paid them that scattered them. Why did Obasi and Benjamin Madubugu have problem? Why did Benjamin Madubugu's boys, Obasi, boys, the same Obasi that tortured Madam Social, why did Benjamin Madubugu call the military on them? The same people that call Nigeria zoo, that call Nigeria military zoo army, but they are he used the army to disperse these Obasi boys from his place. Yes, now the sons say that delivered one place. So whatever they signed, sealed, and delivered, it is what they are trying to open for you now. They signed unity of purpose. They signed unity of ideas, unity of propaganda, and every other thing following it. So this is what they are reactivating. Of course, it's the same answers also, with the answers flavor. It was that thing that snowballed to the answers you saw in 2020. Now, they want him back, so they will begin from where they start. Ahead of 2027 election. Like I said, it's a pity someone like my brother, Egbon Showere, is allowing himself to be used this way. It's a shame. Whatever the government must have done. See, anybody traveling out of Nigeria, 20th, 21st, 22nd, please change your traveling schedule. You either travel 19th, or you plan to travel like 30th of October, or 25th, 26th, or start making arrangements if you are in Lagos on how to reach Cotonou. But you see this airport, Ugosila. Let them not think it's like the time they will fly, they will prepare themselves, fly out of Nigeria and everything. No, we will seal every international flight. Everybody know what you are doing. No? You don't hear me so? If push comes to shove, the international airports, no international flight will land and none will leave. Okay? Nobody will fly out and nobody will leave. Remember the withdrawal of police protection. The police protection of every single politician will be removed. Any way you people want it, we will give it. You see this Abuja, nobody will spoil it for us. On our one trouble, Abi, don't worry. The police protection of every single politician will be removed. This time around, it will not just be the poor people suffering. We go knock everybody. Remember, you heard this here first. This nonsense you people are planning, plan it very well. Okay? Plan it very well. You think we are fools? Please, if you're traveling 20th, 21st, 22nd, change your traveling plans. Like I said, if push comes to shove, every flight will be grounded. You see that one I define for this country, and I go see them that day. On I go see them. If they close Wuse markets, nobody in Guzape will sleep. Nobody in Asokoro will sleep. Nobody in Maitama will sleep. There will be no policeman protecting that your house. You think you will hide there, you will hide inside there and be funding this nonsense. You see this National Assembly, we go shut them down. That thing you people are looking for, you will see it. You would see it, you will get it. You people are using your PDP contact to come destabilize our country under a different form. It's not going to happen. All of a sudden, Showdown and Atiku, like, is there any correlation between Showore's politics and Atiku's politics? None whatsoever. But all of a sudden, they are going to come under one umbrella to save Nigeria. Don't worry, we shall see. This Utobo that was insulting Fulani people, this is why I told you people, nothing is about ethnicity. It's about politics and the interests of politicians. Imagine Atiku, a Fulani man, telling you that Nnamdi Kanu, somebody who brought all manner of insult. There is no disgusting term he didn't use against the Fulani people. You Fulani people, are you seeing your brother? Are you seeing the so-called leadership of the opposition you have? Is this, and this one will come and campaign in the north? Let me block one Ozu. This one will come and campaign in the north? Are you really going to give your future to Atiku? I'm talking to my northern brothers now. If I was fluent in Hausa, I would have done this one in Hausa. Okay? Are you telling me you are going to listen to this Atiku ever again? Let him enjoy his Southeast votes, no problem. Let him, he has been winning Southeast now. Anambra PDP primaries 2023. He won it. He won it. So this is not a new thing. He is joining his brothers and his relatives, which is not Fulani, is the Igbo ruling class. These people think along class line. Nothing concern them, concern tribe and ethnicity. Look at Atiku. With all the insults, this criminal Nnamdi Kanu heaped on the Fulani people. You are telling me that this Ozu is telling you they should leave. Remember, he has not started his defense. He has not started his defense. Look at Akwa case. Soludo, whenever they take Akwa to court, they will not discuss anything. No, they will just take him back. None of you is saying anything about that thing. It's Akwa, not an Igbo man. Look at the people that are unjustly locking up Akwa and now telling you that the government is holding without reason a terrorist that order the firing of law enforcement, spread hate. Well, let me be blocking Umozu, please. If I meet, if I miss any bagger, let me know. If I miss any bagger, just give me bingo alert. With everything he did, Ahmed Gulak was spied by these IPOB ESN people. And Atiku is telling you that the person that formed the ESN should be released. Akwa Okuko, ask them why they've not opened their own triumph. So Akwa Okuko will start his own defense. Nnamdi Kanu, his sentencing is delaying because his people have not stopped filing all manner of injunctions. They will go to Umuahia fight today, go to Enugu. They've not discussed the real issue, and this is the point. Okay? This one say where they say Ebuka, you Ebuka be na nobody, no be November 3. Although November 3, no, let Ebuka be come and court. Come to court and we'll finish what we started. That case, I'm happy it's happening this time. Especially this time around, you people are shouting, oh, persecution of Christians, persecution of... No, we will dismantle the propaganda. Thank you for the gift of Ebukobi. Thank you for the gift of Ebukobi. Yes, we have our own protest. Odogwata, please, send me the videos of Nnamdi Kanu insulting Fulani people. Send me his signed, sealed, and delivered if you have it. Okay? Send it to me. We will disgrace you people. Odogwata, please, send me Nnamdi Kanu's broker where he was insulting Fulani people. Atiku, thank you. You see that your Southeast vote. Go get it. Will they not? Will they wait for him for not? Will they wait for you for not here? Go enjoy your Southeast vote. Collect everything. This is what it's for. And if you people think you will repeat this nonsense in what's the name of this last country? Is it Sri Lanka or what? You think you will repeat it, that you are making a mistake. Helen said on the... Yes, now it's the same answers, people. Check the groups that are endorsing the protest. The same answer and the same date answers started. 2020, 2010, 20. Now it's 2010, 25. Okay? Atiku has just kissed his political career goodbye. Atiku has kissed his political career goodbye. It's finished for him. Have they marched for people in Okigwe? Have they marched for people in Okigwe? Eh? Let me be blocking Umozu. With everything Nnamdi Kanu did. And we are still giving these people police protection, DSS protection. Really? Mr. President, please, I am pleading with you. Do not use force against these people. Do not use force against these people. Tell your entire media team that their job from now till that 20th will be to interview every victim of IPOB at hand. Every victim of Nnamdi Kanu, all the communities they rendered useless. All the communities they turned to ghost towns. We will send people, we will go do the documentary ourselves. Just give us all the things we need. Just the logistics, finish, we'll go do it ourselves. We don't need anybody from outside. No, it is we Igbo people against these people. It is we, the Igbo people, against these people. We will organize our own protest. Guys, please, we have our group where we are planning the protest. We announced it on Ikengu Rago's platform yesterday, but you know, on TikTok people are really serious over things. Okay? We will damage. Thank you, Kesh also. Kesh also check out your code the bell. No, now your code. Now no say since stars no day now I know they do my bail again. This one say he pray he father by there. It's not in your hand. It's not in your hand. Look at this face very well. It will terrify you people. It will terrorize you people. You see this face, look at it very well. We are not stopping, no, we never start. Your prayer no dey pass that your useless house where you dey inside. You see that your miserable life you are living, your nonsense prayer and only inside that place it dey work. Fuck you. No, we will do our own protest. We will bring all the people, document all the countries. Okay? We will use all of them on you people. It's Igbo people. Which Igbo people are you talking about? The ones buying? You people, you see, the government should be mindful. Forget Abuja. You will be hearing like, don't mind them, popcorn, brown cake, video make look at me, Ona no go stop to the see me. You see this face is going nowhere. You see these big eyes, if this big head, issue bomber is go ona go see am tire, ona go cry tire. Yes, we are planning our own protest. Let me even pin the group link. Those of you that want to join us, that's where we'll be making our own contributions because we need banners, we need shirts. We need banners, we need shirts, we need flags. We will bring people from the southeast. The name of the page is Rescue Ala Igbo. Let me get the link. Oh, we don't know the use link. Okay. I've copied the link. Let me send it to you. That's why we're planning our own protest. Ndara. Lawan. You don't need to be disappointed in him. You don't need to. Okay? He's a living disappointment, an embodiment of disappointment on his own. Like I said, it will not be between them and the federal government. It's between us and them now. That's the link to the group. Let them plan our protest. We will also plan our own, their own protest. We will also plan our own protest. We want to meet the Shebi. They say, oh, people on the floor of the house are discussing. No, in fact, we will also bring the victims to the National Assembly. Okay? We will also bring the victims at the National Assembly. We would like to face our senators face to face and hear this rubbish. I guarantee you they will run that day. The Senate President, the Speaker of the House, please, we need an open hearing that will be televised live. We will bring victims from Osumohu, Osuhitukwa, Lilu, Okigwe, Njaba, Mbitoli. All this, we will bring victims from let us hear the so-called representatives. We will hear the same representatives. Okay, for those of you northerners that don't know what your brother Atiku is supporting, let me show you one of some of the things he's supporting. Somebody that wants to be the president of Nigeria. Okay, people are requesting to join. I'm approving now. Ikenguru, I go come on. Job don't call. Somebody please help me call Ikenga. Okay, let me call Ikenga now to send me some of the videos. Let me call Ikenga. I know he will be sleeping now because he slept late. He was too long online yesterday. Dorothy, Biko, use all this link. Use that link to join the group. From there, you see my number there. You will see my number there. Okay, I'll decline. One Biko send the go do mo that year na Madam Social. Eba Madam Social na call ye Mary. I send the go do me a o. Hello one. Hello one can amen. Can amen. Okay, Biko, send the go do mo that Iena Madam Social Biko. Keep playing na your program up the day before yesterday. Eba ana kotu eshi mee ha attack. That time no oba. We kusa ni URPC eze nwa. Ongwa play ana. Ke video you play ebe that woman na aka akọ etu esi we bịa kpụrụ ha tie ha ihe. Ndị otu ọbasi bụ ihe tiri ha. Okay, cash also be here play there. Okay. Okay, Dal. Okay, thank you. All video, all that interview area. Because cash also abu niji here na Madam Social sent to me. Okay, Dogwata sent me 2 videos. I heard Dogwata, I trust you now. I trust you. Now, my people, more than see the Nnamdi Kanu that Atiku Abubakar is supporting. And remember, forget what his lawyer, this Utobo, is saying. Okay? Remember, thank you, my brother. Okay, I've seen my association. Remember that this Maxwell is lying to people. The NJC should, as a matter of principle, withdraw his license. How can you come and say that the federal government, I will play Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers this thing first, later. But hear what your Atiku Abubakar is saying. And it's here the broadcast of the person is defending. Let's play it.
To the struggle to escape from the other side without Biafra, no. Either Biafra or death. 2 things must happen. Either we get Biafra or we die trying to get Biafra. And in pursuit of Biafra, there will be no retreat and no surrender. We cannot negotiate with our enemies. We don't negotiate with Nigeria. Never, ever, ever. Biafra is what we want and we'll get it. Or we drown together. We will drown with them. Everybody will die. Every living thing will die. We will perish together. We want to prove to the world that we were free men before Lugard came, and free men we shall return to.
Okay.
We cannot let you down. We cannot disappoint you. It is impossible. You can never wake up one day and hear that we have abandoned this struggle. It can never happen. It can never ever happen on this earth. That one day we went to Hausa people or Yoruba and we are saying, but having considered, their useless grammar, the dispensation, that's what their useless, foolish English language back home. Having considered all the ramifications in this dispensation, I start talking like I was like an imbecile. On one hand, you're a freedom fighter, on the other hand, you're a campaigner for people who are corrupt, for people who are filthy, for people who are not worthy to be referred to as human beings, people who are presiding over the death of infants, over the death of innocent little children. Are those people human beings? A country that runs on generator, is that a country? People are telling me I should abandon a land blessed by God himself. A land with hills, with valleys, with streams, with rivers, with ocean, a land with coal, a land with oil, a land with bauxite, with gold. I should abandon it for the desert of the Sahel in the north. Or I should be in the same country with a bunch of women who never won any war in their life, the Yoruba people. They never won any set piece battle in their life. Even if the people went to Lagos and took Lagos from them and named it Ego, they are nobody. That is why they cannot and will not stand on their 2 feet. The Hausas raped them all the way from Kwara State.
Yoruba people, shebi una dey hear am. Yoruba people, shebi una dey hear am. Just watch all the politicians telling you to hear what they are supporting. All your people that are telling you, hear who they are supporting. Hausa people, are you paying attention? Hausa people, they don't kuku dash me Fulani people. My Fulani brothers, are you listening? You see what this man use mouth to do us. Yes, I'm a Fulani now. Full-blooded Fulani. Check out with Fulani. Okay, where is my heart? I think it's over there. Wait, I'm coming. Where my Greek cap bill? She knows your man. My Greek cap, at least I think he's in the room. I don't want to look for it. My Fulani brothers and sisters, are you hearing it?
They couldn't do anything, converted the Lauren into an emirate. It's not an Oba you have there. That is the height of their cowardice. That is why anybody dealing with Yoruba people, may God have mercy on your soul. May God have mercy on your soul. This is Radio Biafra. We thank all of you for having called us. Please, our lines are still open because this is your radio station. Radio Biafra belongs to you. Thank you for that. Thank you, my dear brother. Thank you for that. Thank you very, very much. This is Radio Biafra. We don't support evil. We do not condone or support evil.
No, you perpetrate it. You don't support it, you perpetrate it.
Regardless of where it is coming from, we do not condone evil. We are still talking about our Tweet Tuesday. We don't want a cosmetic Biafra. We want a Biafra of substance, a Biafra of integrity and honor. Where if you rise up and say, just imagine that I wake up tomorrow morning. If I wake up tomorrow, after speaking on Radio Biafra, I'll then start saying, please, you need to understand there are ways to do it. Meanwhile, I'm buying hotels and building houses. I will leave Radio Biafra and start talking nonsense about compromise. Somebody will come and say, leave Nnamdi Kanu here when he was on the radio talking. And so bloody what? He was on radio talking. And so bloody what if you have served this country? If you are a compromiser, you are a compromiser. It doesn't matter who you are. They hang you in this part of the world. If you're a spy before they kill you in Israel or before they kill you here, do they say, before he went on a mission for us in South America and he was successful? That is bunkum. If you are compromised, you are compromised. You are no longer part of the family. That's the problem with Wazirika and Masop. They are criminals. And they must be labeled as such. This is Radio Biafra. We have a caller on the line. Give us your name and where you are, please.
Hello, Nnamdi, am I with you?
You are on to the whole world. This is Radio Biafra.
Yes, my name is Richard Bob, like I said before.
Those that shall keep watch.
I'm coming. Let me play another one.
Fulani headsmen sack 17 platoon villages. Of course, they are coming. After
Fulani people hear it too. Fulani are coming. Oh, they are coming to take Igbo. Fulani people hear them. Fulani people, are you paying attention? Here, the person your Atiku is supporting. Fulani people hear him and hear the thing he supported. Okay?
Fulani headsmen sack 17 platoon villages. Of course, they are coming. After Plateau, they will enter Benue, which they have also started making their incursions into. After Benue, then they have Enugu in their sights. And what are you going to do? You then be calling Radio Biafra. Oh, director, try and do something. They have seen the Agusa men. They came with their cattle. They are killing us. That time I will tell you, devil, go behind me. I don't know who you are. We have been preaching now for 3 years. What have you done? What have you done?
Yeah, again, no.
Fulani headsmen sack 17 platoon villages. Of course, they are coming. After Plateau, they will enter Benue, which they have also started making their incursions into. After Benue, then they have Enugu in their sights. And what are you going to do? You then be calling Radio Biafra. Oh.
All the people they arrested in Benue, where are they from? Go to the army Facebook page. All the people that were arrested in Benue, where are they from? Eh? Somebody says Zion Ministry. Which is Zion Ministry? The fake people. Which Zion Ministry again? Eh? The fake miracle people. They even use my uncle do fake miracle now. Oh, now that's why I want here. Wait, I go still plan for you. Them use my uncle do fake miracle. Wait, isn't this people? My people, I beg, make I, you know, say they think say Ebuko be as I go. Wait, make I show you my uncle. Hold on. Make we enter them small to show you say, me and Ebuka na August 3rd, our case today. So make I show you small. No update. Wait, make I give you Zion B update. Make I give you them update. And the fake miracle where they use my uncle do. And they come. No be fine came inside be do go after download the video for me first. Okay. See, I'm here. Make I give you update. Now all of them there together. All of them there together. Make I show you fake miracle. I go still use and do full video, post them. I go use and do full video, post them. Let me show it to you now. Shebi una want update. Let me give it to you. Wait, see. Lakamado Shinda. Oh.
There is somebody called Nadose Chukwemeka. You are born in 27th of October.
Yes. Yes. Now my uncle lie down like this, so. Now my uncle be this where they mention. Mention his birth date. I go see sure or something.
This is a coincidence. Come here.
You say it's a coincidence. Wait, I will show you how it's not a coincidence.
You are one of them that came from where? I'm from Owerri. Come. This is the kind of prophecy they call RNG.
It's another RNG now. It's another RNG. It's another RNG.
Are you married with children?
Odogwata, cut this side from me where he started.
Get up.
Yeah.
Get up.
Cut this side where he started. I say I've been the reserve arm.
I don't know. I have not been here. This is my first time.
Okay.
But I'll be following Zion online. I'll be following Zion online. You have been following Zion online?
Yes.
And that's my sister. Allow her. He said it's their sister.
Adaku Ngwabia. Adaku nwanne m nwanyị.
I'm surprised seeing him here. Oh, you are not even know he's coming. No, I just want to. She saw me on television. She's living here in Lagos. And she called me on phone when we gave the Russia here. She called you on phone and he says that here? Yes. She said
that after the program that she will see me. I don't even know.
Please, how you came and they put you for 100 days? You came from Owerri. You tell anybody that call you your birthday.
My birthday is on the 27th of October.
No, I say
Oh, I go here. Wait, I go.
You came from Owerri.
Yes.
Those who asked you to come today to come to program and they call you to join the committee, who call you?
My friend here is Nnamdi.
Nnamdi.
He has been my friend while we were in the university. We played government politics together. I think about 20-something years ago.
You two of you has been what?
We've been friends for a very long time. I'm telling you, he was the person that invited me. He's even crying here.
Yeah, see the fake cry. Yeah. This Nnamdi now you see. Okay. Ebukobi is telling you he didn't know the guy before. He mentioned his date of birth. This Nnamdi, remember, he's that Ebukobi's lawyer that came out and made a pronouncement that anybody that says anything about Ebukobi and Zion Church, that they will deal with the person, right? Okay. How come he's the same person here? Now, after I saw this video, I called my uncle. I recorded the whole call. I put it on record. It's on record. I chat with him and there, but I'm not going to play it. One is my uncle. He's my uncle. I love him so much. I love his family. The mother was so good to me. If you go deeper, you hear when they mention that their last born, Onyedikachi no go fall for this rubbish. I'm an name. Okay? So, all these ones na part of waiting I go still present for court. Whenever they start. And these same people, remember when I had this problem with them, you people thought it was because it's the politicians. Yes, the same politicians. What did they tell me? That, oh, they will stop the whole thing if I will stop mentioning anything IPOB. I'm telling you, under the same matter, this a senator from Abia State, he knows himself. There is a reason they asked him about the thing. He dodged the question. You know they are watching him from Abuja. I've told that sort of people the whole thing. Okay? I have told them at the villa the whole news. Abe is aware. T is aware. Esther is aware. They know the person, and that was why he refused to make a comment. He knows it will come out. So now the same people. Back to the northerners. This is the person your brother wants you people to support. This is wait to make a like side they hide them. Like side they hide them. This is the person they want you to support. This is the person your brother Atiku Abubakar. You see this place I played there because please go cut the full thing and bring it and keep it for me. I have all my videos with them now. Everything there. Okay, cut it and bring to me. So this is the people your Atiku wants you to follow. The same people playing things against. I'm not a Muslim. But you don't see me hating on anyone because you're a Muslim. I have no problem with you because you're a Muslim. I have no problem with you because you are a Christian. And I don't need politics to behave like that. No, this is how I lead my life. That's the life I lead. I am not going to use religion for my own game. But the people using it are the same people now telling they need to release Nnamdi Kanu. Okay? Now they are telling you, oh, release him. Are you still